Alright, first things first, take the battery out. Unlock it. Battery out. Now you got 4 rubber nubs. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're on the 4 corners of the screen. Don't drop them inside the crack. Okay, where the rubber nubs were are screws. Just remove the screws. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Screws are out. Sometimes they get stuck. You can just pop them out with your flathead screwdriver. Alright, starting at the top of the screen where the release latch is, you can just put your flathead screwdriver in the crack. And just pop the plastic cover off. Comes off all the way around, down to the bottom. Open the screen up. It comes off. 4 more screws, they're on the sides. 1, 2, and then on the opposite side, same screws. Just remove them. Make sure there's a baby crying in the background. That's important. Well, he's not really crying, he's gibbering. Jibber jabbering. And last screw. Now with your flathead, you can come in on the side, just move it forward, and the screen comes out. So you don't want to unplug this. There's a piece of tape up here on this flat cable. Just remove the tape. You can get up underneath, grasp it real firmly and just pull out. Comes right out there. Take the tape off here. And then the very last thing is there's a plug right here. Just pop that little bad boy out. And the screen comes off. Okay, to replace the screen, here's the new screen from laptopscreen.com. I just laid it down on the keyboard, plug this wire back in, make sure everything's snug and plugged in. Okay. So this part, just line it up with the plug. It's just a slotted plug. Line it up, clicks right into place. Put the tape down, then just follow it out. Retape the cable down there. Okay. Screen, put up, line it up with the bottom edge of the frame. Now it's back in place. 4 screws, 1 on each side. Again, very important, the baby's talking in the background. Helps you concentrate. 1 screw. Second screw. Sometimes the screen doesn't line up right. You gotta lift it up with your flathead a little bit to line the screw up with the hole. There we go. There's 2 screws in. Comes the other 2. Screen was lined up. That one's not aligned, so I'm going to just lift up the edge of the screen so I can line the hole up. Alright, it's the 3rd screw. 4th one, we're done with this part. Alright, 4th screw. So this part's out. Okay, this part's actually pretty easy. Just come in, start from the bottom. Make sure the wires are snug inside here. Start from the bottom. And it just clicks. All the little clips just clip right back in place. Okay. You got 4 screws left. The baby thinks that's funny. One, 2. Oops, I dropped one. Okay. 3 and 4. Okay, almost done. Forgot to put the rubber pads back. They have adhesive on them. They'll stick right back in where you pried them out. And that's it. Flathead screwdriver, small Phillips head screwdriver, all you need.